Morning, people. Monday morning again. Yeah, another busy week. I'm off to Marrakesh at the end of the week. Fly out Friday just for a few days with the wife, leaving the kids at home. Happy days. But yeah, was on the radio over the weekend talking about the ULEZ expansion. I don't know whether any of you guys out there that watch me are in the ULEZ areas. Comment down below on what you think of the expansion and how it's going to affect you. I think it's going to affect me, as I'm now trying to look for a new van just to be compliant, which I don't really need to, because there's nothing wrong with my van. It works perfectly fine. And it's annoying that I'm going to have to pay £12.50 a day to work in the areas that I always work in. It's really annoying at the moment, and it's an expense every month that I could really do without. But yeah, comment down below if you are in the ULEZ areas and if it's going to affect you. You know, I don't buy brand new vans because I don't see the point in it. You know, I just like to know where I am every month. I don't want to be paying or leasing or anything like that, you know. So yeah, comment down below. But anyway, let's get on with the day and see what we've got ahead of us. So it's got no retaining clamp on the bottom, bracket, nut, whatever you call it. Let's get that fixed. That's why it's leaking. Get a new nut and olive on there. I don't know why this ain't focusing today. That's the one. New nut up there, new hose. Job done. Turn it back on. That's it. No leaks. Sorted. Dirty van. Grab the bag. And a hammer. Bloody press fit. Got the whole lot's loose. That was the first job done of the day. Nice and easy, simple job. Yeah, it was little leak coming from the water meter. It was so loose, it was unreal. So yeah, it's caused a bit of damage, but I'm sure she'll get it sorted on the insurance. So on to my next one now, so let's do it.
And it just looks like a better bath as well.
Yeah, no, it is definitely a lot better bath. It's a solid sort of, I think it's about 10 mil thick or something.
Yeah.